Good thing I'm comfortable with you guys, because holy crap. Good morning, guys. Happy Vlogmas. I don't know what day it is. Is it day 8? I think. We'll find out. Anyways, good morning. Hope you guys all had a wonderful week. Happy Friday. Let's make some breakfast sandwiches. I have bagels, eggs. I think we'll do ham. Ham, 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 ham. I'll do one with sausage. Sausage. I'm gonna mismatch our bagels, okay? Let's try this knife. Oh. You pulling, sissy? Oh, Princey's coming. Wow, okay.
Such a big dog. Look at the Fritzy.
What are those? It's a little runny, so. Okay, I need to chill out for a little bit. I figured that we could make some stocking tags for our stockings with little name tags. I thought it would be cute, something simple to make. So let's make that together. Let's open up a new Canva design. And I know that my little tags are 2.5 by 3.5. And then I'll cut it out with my Cricut. Let's do a tag so I can see kind of perfect. I see now like what the tag's gonna look like, and my tags are actually black. Let's see if I like any of these pre-fonts. Let's try this. That's kind of cute. Let's do another one to see if I like the font better. Okay, let's see if we like any other fonts. Can't do that one. Let's see if we just like a simple one. Not sure if I like that or not, but no, I don't think I like that one. Let's change the font. Maybe. Okay, let's try another one. Oh, that one's kind of cute. Yeah, let's do that one with all the names to see if I like it. Yeah, I think I like that font a lot, so. Now I'll send it to myself and we'll go to the Cricut. Okay, I'm gonna make this the same size as my tag. And then I'm going to upload my design. Forgot how bad the Cricut vinyl is. Oh my gosh. So I have to like be really super careful with it because it will pull off everything. But all I had was scrap pieces of white and I was not about to go buy some, so we're just gonna use what we have and we're just gonna suffer through it. About this is it transfers really quickly to the vinyl, the transfer tape, so. Aren't they so cute? I'm obsessed. Cute. Let's put some little doggy toys in their stockings. I think they're gonna have a good Christmas. Me again, did you miss me? Okay, I need to do the chicken salad for tonight. I'm going to put a bunch of stuff in it for fun and do some chicken salad wraps for dinner. I've never made it before, so hopefully it's good. I'm definitely gonna wear gloves because I don't want chicken all underneath my nails. I am picking 2 chicken breasts that we had for Thanksgiving. They were frozen, so they're not gone bad, but I'm gonna pick it and then put it in a bowl and then we'll chop some stuff up. I had to microwave it a little bit so that it's not completely frozen. I took it out last night. I thought it would be thawed out, but I guess not. Okay, so let's see if we can get it apart now. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Okay, I have all the chicken deboned and I chopped it up with some scissors just to make it like chunky. Let's do the apple. This is a honkin' apple. This is a Honey Crisp. I just grabbed the biggest apple I could find. Okay, I'm gonna core the apple and then slice it up. I'm gonna core it with this apple corer. Literally a lifesaver. See if it'll work. This thing is huge. Will it even fit? I don't think it's gonna fit. That's what she said. We'll just have to do it the old-fashioned way. I'm gonna chop them pretty small. I haven't had chicken salad in so long. I feel like this is definitely like a fall meal, but it's going good. Let's get you a little closer, shall we? That's better. Okay, I've got them all chopped up. To add some raisins. I'm gonna add some walnuts. Some mayonnaise. Of Dijon mustard. Of seasoning salt and pepper. Hey babies, what are you doing? This is what it looks like. You guys want to see what it's really like to be filming? Look at this mess. Thanks. That's real life though. Okay, let's clean this mess up.
Some extra walnuts would be good on a salad.
Beautiful. Anyways, hubby's on his way home, so I'm gonna start the tater tots. I totally lied. I thought I had tater tots. I don't. I have these famous seasoned fries. They looked really good, so let's see if it has anything about air fryer. No, ma'am. Okay, that's okay. We're just gonna put them in the air fryer and hope for the best. Let's have extra. You see him outside? The dogs are losing their mind. Daddy's home! Imagine if you just opened the door.
Hey, baby.
Okay, I'm gonna get ready so that we can go to the Christmas parade. I'm not gonna put on a ton of makeup, but just a little bit. There's literally someone outside and they can see right in my window. Okay, let's do a little bit of mascara. Okay, and just a little bit of eyebrows, and then we're gonna call it a day. They don't look even, hold on. Okay, that's better. Let's do a quick lip. Okay, that's it. Oh, I gotta do the bottom lashes, I forgot. Alright, I think my hair is good. Half up, half down. And then I think I'm just gonna wear an oversized white sweater and leggings with my Uggs and my jacket because it's freaking cold outside. We are sitting outside waiting for the parade and there's nobody here. There's only like 2 cars. So welcome to a small town in Maine. Yeah. Anyways, hopefully more people show up and it's a good parade. So It's cold outside, so we're sitting in here with our butt warmers on and the.
My butt warmer's actually off.
Oh, well, my butt warmer's on, so. I feel like an idiot with my fucking camera out. Cute.
Are you holding two phones at the same time?
Look. Oh my goodness. How cute. Charlie Brown tree. Yeah. Santa! So cute.
Little pony. Get it?
Probably little
My little
kids.
pony.
Oh. More ponies. Where did all the ponies come from?
Oh, right.
Aww. So cute. Aww.
I didn't realize my hat was crooked.
Oh, it is. But I like these. You do? I wonder how much those ornaments are. These ones.